Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan heatsink assembly, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, system board, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables through the display panel hinges for later replacement. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left hinge bracket to the display enclosure. Remove the left hinge bracket from the alignment pins and retention tabs on the display enclosure. The right hinge bracket is removed in the same manner. Replacement. Place the left hinge bracket under the retention tabs and onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the three 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left hinge bracket to the display enclosure. The right hinge bracket is replaced in the same manner.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.